Hey YouTube, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And as always, make sure you check out my website, daytradingfearless.com, for the weekly E-mini S&P futures trade zones, and also my portfolio that you can follow along with at patreon.com/Day Trading Fearless. But as always, let's jump right into it. So today's video is going to be about these two guys right here. Okay, what are they? Well, if you look, I'm on Apple stock, right? So what these are is this is telling me what the S&P E-mini futures are, and then this box tells me what the SPY is. So if you look, and let's say I go to another stock like AT&T, they still are there. So what it's essentially doing is it's always telling me what the SPY or the S&P E-mini futures are, so you could track them whenever you want. And it's a special code. And what I'll do is I'll link the chart with the two codes down below in the description that you can upload to your own Thinkorswim. And all this for just the price of smash the like button. That's all I ask for, is you guys hit the like button and you can then download this. So oh, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't. But so if you go into studies, edit studies, there are these two things right here, right? Well, I'm actually going to show you to take it one step farther. Let's say you don't care about the S&P E-mini futures or the SPY, but you'd rather look at Apple and the NASDAQ, right? So if you come over here to this little thing right here, left click on it, okay, and just change the ES, right, from /ES to AAPL. Okay, that's all you need to change in the code. Click apply, and like magic, now you're showing Apple $128.18, right? So if we click apply, okay, go to Apple, and Apple, the last trade is right here. The ask is 128.18. Okay, so I hope this helps. If you just want to change the SPY to whatever you want, or if you want to do the NQ, just remember the futures, you need to go /ES or NQ or whatever you want, right? And there's nothing else to touch. If you want to change the colors, you could do that right here. But I just leave them as is. I like them, they stand out. But again, I will leave the link with the chart and also the codes down below. All I ask for is a like and also subscribe. But as always, thank you for watching my videos. I hope this actually helps you guys in your own trading. And until next time, we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.